I'm not a big fan of watching series, but after hearing a lot about Scam 92, I was like, चलो यार देखते हैं. But now I don't even regret a single minute watching it. So today I bring you 10 points which I learned from this series. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Is probably the most famous line of the entire series. And why not? It is so very meaningful. Many people don't achieve their dreams not because they couldn't, but they fear something. What if this goes wrong, or what if that goes wrong? But once you start analyzing this, you will find that fear is in the mind and not in the real world. So remember this, the real risk you will ever take is not to take any risk. Harsha too failed initially. He once sold all his ornaments just to repay the loss, and many people gave up at that time. But what next? What Harsha did next was grow more, and we all know where he took his company. It is not about failure, but it is about realizing that failure is not permanent. This is one of the biggest lessons you can take from this series. You see, everything that Harsha did was backed up by extensive research and study. This was his secret for success, and it can be yours too if you commit to learn every single day. Anything that Harsha did was only possible because he had huge connections. He went everywhere just to find new leads and new potentials. Sucheta Dalal too had her Karamchand, who gave her key information. This is what we need to understand. If you want success, you need to connect with more and more people. Sucheta Dalal risked her job just for one story, something that could cost her her entire career. But she kept believing herself that she could bring it out, and ultimately she did. If you too keep believing in yourself, you can achieve anything. Famous bear gang stood always opposite to Harsha. There will always be competition around us, and that's necessary for our progress. If there is no competition, we cannot grow. Never get scared of your rivals. Instead, try to improve your knowledge and skill so that one day you can beat them. Indeed, trust is the most precious thing. There is no business if there is no trust. Trust means commitment. Let's say you have signed a deal, and now it's your responsibility to complete that deal. It creates a rich experience for the people you work for. Trust is that invincible force that will take you much far. Nothing can drag you down more badly than your own overconfidence. Harshad made this mistake and thought that everything will go in his favor. But certainly, this is not the case. So, be confident in everything, but never take things for granted. Harshad was certainly in a huge problem when things were going against him. And you will notice that he had lost his charm. He once spent sleepless nights by getting more and more anxious. This is the clear indication that money can't buy peace. Once we understand this, life becomes simple. This was the biggest learning for me. No one knows what's coming. We can just hope for the best. Harshad never imagined that SBI scam would cost him so much that everything that he earned from his name, money, power, reputation will go zero. It doesn't matter how big are you. It's all about your karma. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.